It's Miss Kim.
And Miss Sammy.
Today, we're going to build a straw airplane. Now in your kit, you should have 2 strips of colored paper, one smaller than the other, and 4 straws. Now remember, we did borrow a straw when we made the balloon car, okay? So you're gonna need that straw because you do need 4. All right, so in your directions, it tells you to cut the strips. No need, we already did it for you. So you're gonna start with your small strip of paper. You're gonna make a circle, overlapping it, and using Scotch tape, we have it magically appear. And tape it. Thank you, Miss Sammy. Kind of taped it over. I'm gonna leave this as the front of my airplane. Maybe it'll make it more aerodynamic without the fold. Okay. Then we're gonna take, well, what do the directions say to do next? Take the 4 straws to the inside of the small circle. Now, your picture shows them on the outside. We're gonna put them on the outside. Can I have you take that for me, Miss Sammy? So you just level or flush with the paper, okay? So
Oops, pieces are long enough.
I'm just gonna eyeball it to be the opposite side, okay? Good. All right. Now we'll put another one in the middle of these 2. And our last one in the middle of these 2.
Is that on the edge?
Yes, now it is. Okay, so you have this. Now, we're gonna take this large strip, do the same thing. Okay, now we're gonna tape these to the inside. So this might be a little trickier, but if you have somebody to help you, like I have Miss Sammy to help me.
Wait till it's done to say that.
I'm gonna do this one next to make sure. Okay.
It's a little tricky.
Yeah. Okay. And finally, our 4th straw. This is going together pretty easy.
And you have an airplane.
Sort of. It doesn't look very.
This looks crooked. Let's see if we can fix this.
You know
one.
what? Let's put this one on the outside. Let's try that. Because I did look this up on the internet just to see how I was going to be making it because I didn't have the directions in front of me at the time. And it showed them every other one was on the outside. So I'm just going to try it. We'll see what happens.
So we would put the blue and the pink one on the outside.
Well, if I can even get it. Well, we'll have to bend it.
Here we go.
Yeah. And I just left the tape in here because I don't want to rip my paper. But it's bent, so it's not going to be very aerodynamic. So
There we go. Trial and error. Here.
Yeah. Well, it's still not looking great, but you know, we'll figure it out. And when you do this, maybe you'll discover that it might need stiffer paper. Not sure, because this construction paper is pretty like flexible. All right. I'll let you. Okay, so there you have it. Now, in your picture, it shows you to fly it with the small end going forward. So what we're gonna do, if Miss Natalie can follow me outside. Okay, I'll take it and I'm gonna throw it over the edge of my deck. And we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully it goes somewhere. right?
Campers, if you do this at home, make sure nobody is underneath where you're throwing your plane.
You could scare them. No one's down there. Some birds. It crashed and burned. Well, there you have it.
Should we try it again?
Well, have a good day.